This is Sully, the African spurred tortoise, also known as a sulcata tortoise. Sully lives here at Wildcare, and this is his outdoor enclosure. Wildcare was incorporated in 2001. It's a facility where native wildlife can come when they are injured, orphaned, or ill to receive care and then be released back to the wild.
So now I'm going to do pitch, forward, straighten back up here, so backwards, good.
Hi, wanted to share some of my dinosaur things with you. I have a pretty big collection at home of various fossils, replicas, casts, and things like that, so wanted to bring these in and test out some 3D video with these things. So
snow is flying everywhere. He looks like he's been in a blizzard. There's another long